Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is mixture and alligation. Mixture and alligation is the most important topic for all aptitude exam. So friends, we have learned in previous video how to solve in traditional method and how to solve in easy way. So we will solve today in easy way. So let's start. Question number 1. Two vessels contain milk and water in the ratio 5:9 and 7:11. If both vessels are mixed in ratio 4:3, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture. In first container 5:9 and second container 7:11. Both are mixes with 4:3. So what is the new mixture in the large container? So now say here, milk and water ratio 5:9 in first container and in second container 7:11. So what is 5 plus 9 is 14 part in first container. 7 plus 11 is 18 part. So if both are not same, we can take LCM. Otherwise we can multiply with upper to below. So 14 and 80 LCM is 126. 14 goes 9 times, so multiply with 9. 18 goes 7 times, so multiply with 7 whole ratio, right? And both are mixes 4:3, so multiply with 4 into 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9. 4 3 ja 12. 12 5 ja 60 ratio. 12 9 ja 108. 7 7 ja 49. 7 11 ja 77. Now add them. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 185. 9. So 109 and 185. So option C is the correct answer. In first container, milk and water ratio is 5:9 and second container 7:11. So 5 plus 9 is 14 part in your first container. 7 plus 11 is 18 part in second container. So we can take, if both are not same, we can directly add, but both are not same, we can take LCM. So 14 and 18 LCM is 126. So 14 goes 9 times, so multiply with 9 whole ratio. 18 goes 7 times, so multiply with 7 whole ratio. And both are mixes with in ratio 4:3. So multiply with 4 and multiply with 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Now 3 into 4 12. 12 5 ja 60 new ratio. And 12 9 ja 108, right? 7 7 ja 49 and 7 11 ja 77. Now add them. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 10 plus 7 is 17 and 1 18, right? 9 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. So our answer is 109 is to 185. Means option C is the correct answer. Two vessels contain 3 liquids, zinc, copper and tin in the ratio 2:3:4 and 1:5. In the both vessels are mixed in ratio of 9:8. Find the ratio of 3 liquid in mixture. So our target to find what is the mixture after mixing. Liquid, zinc and tin. Liquid, zinc and tin. In first container ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 4, and in second container 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. So in first container 9 part and second container 8 part, right? So we can multiply above to below and below to above. So below is 8, so multiply with above, and above is 9, so multiply with 9. 4 same part, right? And both are mixes in 9 is to 8. 9 is to 8. So 9 9 cancel and 8 8 cancel. Now directly add them. 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So new mixture is 3 is to 5 is to 9. Liquid zinc and tin. In first container ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4, and second container 1 is to 2 is to 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9 part in first container. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8 in second container, and both are mixes with 9 is to 8, right? So we can take LCM for same part. Otherwise you can multiply with below and below to above. So 9 9 cancel and 8 8 cancel. Now 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3 is to 5 is to 9, means option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Move to next question. 3 containers A, B and C are having mixture of milk and water in the ratio 1 is to 5, 3 is to 5 and 5 is to 7 respectively. If the capacity of the containers are in the ratio 5 is to 4 is to 5, find the ratio of milk and water if the mixture of all 3 containers are mixed larger. In first container 1 is to 5, second container 3 is to 5 and third container 5 is to 7 having. So after mixing, what is the ratio of mixture? And first container mixes with 5, second container with 4 and third container with 5. Now see here, milk and water ratio 1 is to 5 first container, second container 3 is to 5 and third container 5 is to 7. 1 plus 5 is 6, 3 plus 5 is 8 part, 5 plus 7 is 12 part. These are not same, so you can take LCM. 12, 8 and 6 LCM will be 72, right? So 6 goes 12 times, 8 goes 9 times and 12 goes 6 times, right? And first container mixes with 5, 4 and 5. So 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. Now 2 2 is 4 and 2 2 is 4. No any more cancellation. So 2 5 is 10, 10 1 is 10, 10 5 is 50. 3 into 2 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 6 5 is 30. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 7 is 35. Now add them. 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 8 plus 5 is 13, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 5. So new ratio is 53 is to 115. So option C is the correct answer. See here friends, first container having 1 is to 5, second container 3 is to 5 and third container 5 is to 7. One container 6 parts, second container 8 parts and third container 12 parts. So these are not same. If these are same, we can directly add, but these are not same. So we can take LCM. LCM is 72, right? So 6 goes 12 times, 8 goes 9 times and 12 goes 6 times. So multiply with 12, 9 and 6, and this mixes with 5 is to 4 is to 5. So after calculation, 5 2 is 10, 10 1 is 10, 10 5 is 50. Second container 3 into 2 is 6, 6 3 is 18 and 6 5 is 30. Now 5 5 is 25 and 5 7 is 35. Now add them. So 5 3 8 8 3 11. So 111. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 is remaining. 1 1 2 2 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 and 1 5. So our answer is 53 is to 115. Thanks friend for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.